My name is Alexandra and I'm graphic designer. This is my first video in English, so I'm so sorry for my speech. Today I will show you how to work with my new brush set in foliage, grass, plant style. These brushes are available on the Creative Market now with a great discount and link in the description. It's great that these brushes work in Photoshop and in Procreate. Video instruction how to activate these brushes in Procreate will be in description. Now I will show you the work on the example of Photoshop. Okay, let's start. First of all, we transfer the brushes to Photoshop by simply dragging them to the program icon or opening them through the Set Manager. And create a new file. Now open the brushes and from the brushes I choose one of the bonus free watercolor brushes. Let's see how they work. I want to draw a chaotic blue background. I want to change, for example, the mixing colors. To do this, I go to the brush settings. Here I can adjust the foreground, background detail, and the color dynamics. Let's take, for example, a brush with the effects of beautiful and natural splashes. And also go to the settings. Here they can adjust the intervals in the shape dynamics, the brush size, jitter. You can play with the dynamics, colors, and other settings what you want, and I think that's enough. Next brushes is grass, present in the form of realistic grass and watercolor. So I'm choose one of these, reduce the size and choose two colors, brighter and dark green base. It turns out this effect. You can make the grass thicker. For this, open the scattering and make a count for 2. This looks great. Yeah. Next, let's try watercolor grass. I love these brushes, it comes amazing. The brushes are ready to work and create a very beautiful effect. It's great for illustrations. The set also has leaves and plants. They look very natural, but the settings can I work with. For example, in Vegeta, scattering, you can build a brush for C2 needs. And one more brushes is flowers. So you can find this and another sets by the following the link in the description of this video, and I also give free watercolor brush. To get them, write to me in the comments. So thank you for watching. Bye.